Jagun Jagun Part 2, actor Femi Adebayo announces date for release. Welcome to Sumi Crown TV. Please do well to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Famous Nollywood actor and filmmaker, known for his brilliant performances in Yoruba movies, Femi Adebayo has revealed that his latest movie titled Jagun Jagun Part 2 will be released anytime from now. Jagun Jagun is a story of a young guy who joined an elite army with the intention of becoming a strong warrior, and how he came in contact with a crazy warlord's anger and a fierce woman's love. Speaking to journalists about the production experience, Femi, the son of a Nigerian movie veteran, Adebayo Salami, popularly known as Oga Bello, revealed details on the event leading up to, during and following the film's production, assuring viewers that Jagun Jagun Part 2 will be released. He stated that the film was shot over the course of 45 days in Oyo State, which serves as both the film's geographical and physical backdrop. Adebayo also added that 3 months prior to the movie's shoots, the cast and crew began training, detailing reports of injuries and tragedies that occurred while the movie was being made. According to him, actor Lateef Adedimeji broke his leg in the first scene and was crying and upset, believing that his hard work has failed as he would be replaced. Speaking further, he said that every building, including the War Academy, was created from nothing. Femi Adebayo also revealed that his latest movie, titled Jagun Jagun, will be released anytime from now. Akim Effect is the brain behind the appearance of the character of Agemo, the swiftness, the lightning, etc., though the idea was conceived by Femi Adebayo. The movie is a message to all Nigerian youth. Nobody is coming to save them if they fail to stand up for themselves, like Botija and other students did against Ogundiji. The movie is well accepted by all. I have the idea of Jagun Jagun in place before I produce King of Thieves. I only produce King of Thieves first to test run the market, Adebayo noted during the interview. Thank you for listening to us, and please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.